everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys what I got at Walgreens. Walgreens this week is super slow, both Walgreens and CVS. A couple of you have even said that, is it just me or is it just you guys? No, Walgreens has not been good for the last month. A lot of you guys know I do second hauls all the time, but I feel like the whole month of August I barely even did a second haul. It's already going on the middle of September and I barely do a second haul. I feel like I don't know what is going on with them. My husband does work for the company and they've been super busy lately. They've been working like overtime. They can't even keep up. So I don't know if they're just hurting so much at the DC, the distribution center, that's why their sales are not that great, because they're just trying to get caught up in general. So I don't know exactly what's going on, but I'm really hoping, you know, Walgreens gets a little bit better. But I just feel like I just am like, should I go even today? I don't like using a lot of my points, but you know, I want to show you guys deals in case you guys need to go to Walgreens or in case you have stuff that you want to do. Now, I did have a Catalina that printed off. I left it upstairs, but it was if you spend 25, you get I think 10,000 points. So I'm gonna definitely go back and do that deal. I'm gonna try to do the Irish Spring deal, so definitely check that out. But yeah, let's get started. Now, as you guys know, they have a deal of the week where the extra is 88 cents. When I got there, like, the shelf looked empty. I had to like bend down and see what was left in there, so somebody took a bunch of it, which is fine. I only needed one because I wanted to show you guys some deals. So the extra was just on sale for 88 cents, which I think is a pretty good deal without coupons. There's 34 loads in here, so for 88 cents, that's a really good deal. I mean, not very often you guys could get, you know, laundry detergent. Now, I've never used extra. I've always used like other stuff, but a lot of you guys like it. So if you guys know it, and these are great products to get if you guys are interested in donating. I've already donated, since my garage sale, I've already donated a bunch of stuff already. And I have more stuff that I gotta get a hold of people to donate. But if you guys ever think about it, like a lot of like animal shelters and stuff, they actually need laundry detergent because they, you know, they wash all the towels and the blankets from the animals. So if you guys ever need some ideas, 88 cents I think is a great deal for laundry detergent. Now I also got Persil. Now, fun fact, if you guys catch my video, or if you catch the picture that I take, or let me see if I can find it on here. But a while back, we were talking about how the Persil bottles have gotten smaller over the last couple months. And I feel like we're getting screwed. But if you guys see this, the middle bottle is actually smaller than the left and the right one. And I grabbed one of the left or the right ones, and I noticed that the smaller one is 40 ounces, and this one is 50 ounces. So now what I think what they're doing is they're making the bottles 50 ounces again instead of 40 ounces because I feel like we were getting gypped. And I think they're filling the liquid a little bit more. Beforehand, it was a little bit down here, so you're getting a lot less ounces. So be prepared if you guys are getting the Persil at any place. Make sure you guys are trying to get the 50 ounces. I think they're going back to the bigger bottles. I noticed that a couple months ago that the bottles were getting smaller and smaller, but I like to get as much bang for my buck. So these are all the same prices. It's just one was 40 ounces and the other one's 50. So just make sure you guys got that. But these were $4.99. I was going to get this at CVS, but I forgot. Which is the same deal at Walgreens. The only thing is CVS automatically submits your receipt, so that's why. So Persil is $4.99. Now we just got those $2 off coupons that were in today's paper. I didn't get those coupons yet, so I ended up getting mine off of coupons.com. There is a $2 off coupon that you guys can print. You guys would just pay $2.99 for this. But then you guys can also submit your receipt to Saving Star for $2. So this bad boy ends up becoming just 99 cents. And I love it. Now this is a new flavor. This is the 2-in-1 Detergent Pro Lift Technology. It says it's for 25 loads. I did not check how much loads the 40 ounces, but I really like it. Persil is my ultimate favorite laundry detergent, so wanted to share with you guys on that. Now the easy deal that you guys want to do, and this does go towards beauty, is the Irish Spring deal. Now these were $3.99. You guys want to use two $1 off coupons. You guys would pay $5.98 for the both of these. But then you guys would get 5,000 points, making it just 98 cents or 49 cents a piece. And I think that is a great deal on body wash. Now those coupons, usually you can do 4 coupons on one transaction. So you guys can do this deal. You can also pay with points and you guys will still get points, and this goes towards beauty. So definitely wanted to do that. I'm going to go back again this week and do that deal again because I love, you know, I don't know why I'm just like out of breath. I'm so excited to talk about laundry detergent. So, got that for you guys. Now, I also got another deal of the week is the Palmolive dish soap. Now, I don't think there's any coupons out there, but these are on sale for 88 cents, which I do like getting a lot of the dish soap. This is the dish soap that I've been using right now. When I had Ben, I bought jugs and jugs because I wasn't couponing before then, and I bought so much laundry soap that I still have jugs. So what I end up doing is when I wash the dishes, I end up just filling it up. So I'm almost done with the jug, but really love that. Okay, the next deal that I was going to cut the coupon out and then I forgot, but I looked on the website and thank God they had a $1 off of 2 coupon, is the cereal. Now, as you guys know, I love cereal. I just love cereal. I could eat cereal all day long if I wanted to. But the General Mills cereal is on sale for 2 for $4. Now, there is a $1 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys can use, plus there is a coupon on coupons.com that you guys can use. So definitely use either one. You guys would end up paying $3 for 2 boxes of cereal. But then there's also a deal where you guys can submit a $1 off of 2 deal on Savings Star. So you guys end up getting each box for $1, which I absolutely love. One thing to check when you guys do buy like certain foods at Walgreens, check the date. As you guys saw last week, I bought peanut butter and it expired the next day. So I really watch, like, especially cereal like a hawk, because I don't eat it all the time because I have a lot of cereal already. But definitely check the dates and make sure stuff, you know, doesn't expire. So I wanted to share with you guys with that deal. Don't ever go shopping hungry. Ever. I was like starving and I'm like, I need some chocolate. I want some chocolate, but I don't like opening stuff while I'm there until I pay for it. But I was going to get these. I think there might be a special deal with this. I'm going to look into it. But the Crunch candy bars, the Butterfinger, they were all 2 for $1. So they're 50 cents a piece. So I was just like, you know what, this is a great like little filler item if you guys need filler items, or if you just need like a quick snack, definitely go with that. And then the last item I got is my favorite, Kit Kat bars. Now these were 79 cents. Now there is a digital coupon for 79 cents off of 2. So basically it's like buy one get one free. So you guys buy 2 of them, you use that coupon, you guys will pay 79 cents. For the both of these, it comes out to be just like 39 cents a piece, so which is a pretty good deal. I don't know why, but I'm like losing my voice all of a sudden. It's just because I'm talking so much. But yes, that was my haul. It wasn't much, but I really wanted to share with you guys as much as I could. Definitely try to get some of that laundry soap, and definitely try to get the Irish Spring. Again, you guys can pay with points to get this deal. So I ended up, my total, now please keep in mind I do get the employee discount, but my total came to $17.09. I ended up getting 10,000 points, which is $10 in points for the Irish Spring since I bought 4 of them. I will be getting $3 back with Savings Star. So my grand total came to $4.09. If you think about it, I got 13 items. That comes out to be just 31 cents a piece. So I definitely was excited to get that. I really tried finding as many deals as I could, but just stuff wasn't just going right, or I just didn't have the right coupons for it. But I'm really, really, really hoping Walgreens gets better, because I feel like they've just been super slacking lately, which is not a big deal, but I like to show you guys as many deals as you can, because not everybody gets the same deals as I do. and I like to just show as much as I can. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button so you guys can watch more Walgreens video, and I will see you guys another time for another Walgreens video. See you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.